If your channel is below 500 subscribers, watch this video before you upload any other video, because on this video I'm going to show you a simple step that can help you to get your first 1000 YouTube subscriber much faster. Welcome back. I am Uncle Osi. On this channel I teach you how to grow on YouTube using free AI tools. If you are serious about growing your channel, hit the subscribe button right now and let's get started. Step 1, you have to choose one particular niche. The biggest mistake new YouTubers make is to posting about everything. Pick one particular topic and stick to it. If your channel is all about YouTube growth, make every video about YouTube tips, AI tools, or content creator. When viewers know what to expect, they may likely to subscribe to your channel. Step 2, solve one problem per video. Every video should answer one question. For example, how to create a YouTube channel, how to make a thumbnail, how to use AI for YouTube, how to get more views. People subscribe because they believe your next video will help them too. Step 3, create a better title and thumbnail. Your thumbnail get people to click and your title tell them why they should watch. Use a simple clear title like how I got my first 1000 subscribers or top 5 free AI tool for YouTubers. Don't try to be clever, try to be clear for everybody to stable to your video. Step 4, upload consistently. Don't upload one video and disappear for 2 weeks. Aim for at least 3 videos every week. The more quality video you publish, the more chance YouTube has to recommend your content to new audience. Step 5, use YouTube Shorts. Shorts are the fastest way to reach new viewers. Turn every long video into 2 or 3 shorts and tell people to watch the full video on your channel. You can drag viewers from short to your long video. Step 6, ask people to subscribe. Many viewers enjoy a video but simply forget to subscribe. At the end of your video, say something like this: if this video helpful to you, subscribe because I post YouTube growth tips every week. That one will make people to subscribe to your channel. Step 7, which is the most important thing that many creators lose and the most important thing that you need to focus on. Keep improving, don't quit. If your first view video don't perform well, study your analyzing and improving your editing. Make a better thumbnail and keep uploading. Every video teach you a lesson. You must learn something out of every video that you upload. So you need to be improving yourself every day. So that is exactly how you can get your first 1000 YouTube subscriber. Start with one niche, solve one problem in every video, upload consistently, upload short, and always ask people to subscribe. If you find this video helpful to you, like this video and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section what is your biggest challenge as a YouTuber.